Hi Sai, how are you feeling the trekking?
Nice.
Hi Chamu, what's your feeling? Baddo, how is your feeling trekking? Nice, very good. See team, we are at the hills. Fantastic scenery. Now, where we would like to go is that top. So this is the trekking in the weekend. I recommend everybody to come in these places. Okay, meet you after some time. Thank you. So guys, so here I am. I don't know at what height with Sai. Trekking. Hi Sai.
Hi.
Feeling tired? Okay, great. So our destination is very close. You can see these stones. So this is the place where we are going to climb. And you have my wife also coming somewhere. Hi. Baddu's first experience for Badri. Badri, how are you feeling? Baddu, hi. Fantastic experience. Oh my god.
Daddy, I'm going up.
Wow, oh, no shoes. Fantastic. Chamu, feeling tired? Okay, great. Baddu, feeling tired? Sai, hi.
Hi.
Okay, I'll also join you. We are coming back after trekking, getting down. Fantastic darshan of Shiva and the place where water is stored in front of a pillar, in between a pillar, and nobody knows from where the water comes. A fantastic scenario, scene. Wow, fantastic. Thank you.